Hey fellas, unfortunately we've come to the end of your camping trip. We will show you in this video how and what you should take care of. Number 1, make sure that the diesel tank is full. Second, empty the gray water tank. So the gray water tank is the water from the kitchen and the shower that has to be emptied. Only empty them at the designated camper service areas. Third, make sure you empty the toilet cassette. So we have also shown you before how to empty it. Also, once again, only at designated service areas, never in nature. Fourth, make sure you take off all the bedding. You just leave it at the back. Make sure also all the kitchen equipment, pots, pans, whatever you use, that you just give them a rinse and that they are washed. Also, leave the fridge empty because we don't want to save up all your remainings of whatever food. 5, please refill the fresh water. So when your tank is empty, refill also the tank at the camper service stop. So what about the interior? Swipe the floor. You take out all the trash, so we expect no trash in the van and that we don't see heaps of sand or earth or whatsoever that you left inside. That was it. We hope you had a wonderful stay with us and that you enjoyed Sardinia. You can always tag us on Instagram. We'd love to see you. Also, your review for us is super important. Thank you so much, guys, and see you next time. Ciao.